Hi, I'm Mr. Paris, and in this video we are going to cover the merge sort. Now, merge sort is an efficient, general-purpose comparison-based sorting algorithm. It employs a technique known as divide and conquer to separate the list into individual elements or lists of one element, then merges or combines the lists back together in order. It is very efficient and was invented by none other than John von Neumann. And if you're doing GCSE computer science, you need to know how a merge sort works for paper 2, or if you're doing the OCR spec. To make things a little bit more interesting, we're going to be using the merge sort algorithm to sort 4 Pokemon cards in order of hit points. And as I used to play a psychic deck, and probably because purple's my favourite colour, we're going to use merge sort on some lovely psychic Pokemon. If you find this video useful, please give it a like and let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for future computer science videos. Right, let's get to it. Okay, so let's get cracking with our merge sort on these 4 wonderful psychic Pokemon cards here. We have Dawnwing's Necrozma with 180 hit points. We've got Malamar with 90 hit points. We've got Inkay with 60 hit points. And we've got Giratina with 130 hit points. They're obviously not in order, so that's why we need to do a merge sort in order to sort them out. So, first step of a merge sort is to get this list and to split it into 2. Like that. Done. The next step is to take each individual section and split that into 2 as well. So we take these, we split them into 2. We take these, we split them into 2. And we keep on going doing this until we've got each item individually, like this. A list of 1, a list of 1, a list of 1, a list of 1. The next step is to start merging them together again, but in order. That's why it's called a merge sort. So what we do is we start off over here and we take these 2. So now we need to check whether they're in the correct order. Now Dawnwings has hit points of 180, Malamar has 90 hit points. They are not in the right order, so we swap them over and then we merge them. Same again on this side with the Inkay and the Giratina. The Inkay's got 60 hit points and the Giratina's got 130. So actually we're all good there, but we still merge them. Okay, we don't swap them, we just merge them. I'll move these back up because I'm running out of a bit of space here. Now the fun begins. We've got to combine these 2 lists to make our sorted list. So what happens is we look at the first element of each list and see if they're in order. So we've got Malamar, which has got 90 hit points, and we've got Inkay, which has got 60 hit points. Thank you, Skulls. Come on. So we've got Malamar, which has 90 hit points, and we've got Inkay, which has 60 hit points. Inkay obviously goes before Malamar. So what happens is we bring these down here, and the Inkay goes down there. Now, we need to check Malamar against the Necrozma, the next item in the first list. So 90 hit points against 180 hit points. 90's before 180, so Malamar goes into our list there. Then we check Giratina versus Necrozma. Now, Giratina has 130 hit points, Necrozma has 180. So Giratina with 130 is less, so we put that into our list here. And then, obviously, last but not least, is the Necrozma with 180, so that goes towards the end of our list. Okay, so if we go up, now we've got Inkay on 60, Malamar on 90, Giratina on 130, and Dawnwing's Necrozma on 180. They are sorted in order of hit points. A few things about the merge sort. It is very, very, very efficient, especially compared to a bubble sort. And if you are doing computer science GCSE, it is imperative, it is really important you remember to split the lists at the start. Split them once in half, then split them again in half, and keep doing that until your list is completely split up into lists of 1. If you forget that step, you will drop marks on the exam. So there you go, the hyper efficient merge sort algorithm. Point of order, don't forget to split the initial list into half and then keep splitting those halves into halves again until you end up with lists with no more than one element in. If in the exam you skip this step, you will drop at least a mark. It's really important you remember to split the lists in half and half again and half again. If you want to know why we split the lists into half and half again and so on, instead of going into lists of just one element from the get-go, it's because it enables us to use recursion when writing the algorithm. Hopefully the pseudocode example in the bottom left explains what I mean. So if you found this video useful, then please do give it a like. Feedback in the comments is always gratefully appreciated. And don't forget to subscribe for more computer science-based videos. I've been Mr. Paris. This has been a video on merge sorts. I hope it's been of use. Thank you.